ovaries of this animal, so you cannot palpate any, you can say, CL of any stage. So the only palpable thing you can feel on this ovary on the right side, there is some kind of the fluctuation on the surface of the ovary, the fluid filled. These are the two, you can say, follicles that are palpable. Mean that these are the medium size or the larger size. The smaller size follicle are not palpable. Medium size or large size follicles are usually palpable. It means that this animal is acyclic. Why? Because there is no corpus luteum that is palpable on the ovary, but we cannot say that this is the completely inactive ovary. Why? Because this is having some kind of the evidence of the follicular activity. So you can say that this is the acyclic animal, but with follicular activity on the ovary. Okay, if we compare it with this animal is having, you can say, the completely plain ovaries, no follicular activity, no luteal activity, plus the surface of this ovary is rough and the shape is, you can say, more elongated. The thickness is lesser as compared to the ovaries of other animals. You can say easily these are the flattened, elongated, inactive ovaries. That mean that this animal was in the deep anestrus. Okay. And if we compare the ovaries of this animal is again having no palpable structure, no corpus luteum, no palpable follicle. Again, this is acyclic, but you can say that this animal is having the plain ovaries. It means that there is no activity, neither the follicular nor the luteal activity. Okay. Okay. If you just visually look at the ovaries, these are the follicles that are of the smaller size follicle. They can be visually observed, but we are unable to palpate. Okay. So these are the smaller follicles that are not palpable, but you can look at these by your eyes, but you are unable to palpate with the help of your fingers. Okay. So this animal actually having the abnormal cervix, that is the fibrosed one, plus the size of the cervix, and the texture of the ovaries is somewhat, you can say, having the evidence. This is the old age cow. When the cows are, you can say, old age, they have such kind of the ovaries plain, plus the texture is somewhat, you can say, changed, and the cervix of this kind of the changes, the chronic cervicitis, fibrosed one. It means that this is having the